There are many methods out there for making half square triangles. Today I'm demonstrating the most common method. I've picked out 2 fabrics and cut 5 3/8 inch squares from each. I'm going to take one piece of each of my fabric and I'm going to place them right sides together. Now we're going to mark the lighter side of the fabric. So I'm going to use my pencil and my ruler. I'm placing one pin about halfway between the line and the edge of the block on both sides. Now we're going to sew. Using a 1/4 inch foot if you have one, sew 1/4 inch away from the marked line. I'm sewing right up to the edge of my block, but I'm not doing a back stitch. Now we're going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so your block's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and remove our pins. I'm taking a quilting ruler and I am lining up the edge of my ruler exactly on the line. I'm taking my rotary cutter and I'm cutting exactly along that edge. And now we have 2 different pieces. All right, so now we have cut our square in half. We have 2 triangles, so what we're going to do is press them. Before you fold anything out, take your iron and gently press along your seam. What we generally want to do in quilting is press to the dark side. Take your iron and nudge it right up along your seam. All right, there we go, a half square triangle. You'll notice these little fellas sticking out here at the end. Those are dog ears and we want to get rid of them. So you can use your rotary cutter. I like to use a pair of sharp scissors and trim those fellas right off. For more information, visit connectingthreads.com.